Welcome to Guangdong Sound Baby Star Acoustics Intelligent Technology Company Limited. We are a source manufacturer. Our factory currently has a team of 60 staffs. Our factory covers an area of about 18,000 square meters with advanced large-scale, thermal forming, automatic production equipment, component temperature and humidity drying, and so on. Our team mainly consists of many first-class technical experts, designers, experienced production technicians, and professional sales to ensure that we can provide our customers with high-quality products and competitive prices. We have obtained product design patents, CE certification. We can provide customized service according to customers' needs from product design, research and development, production application, and after sales to provide customers with total solutions for their projects. Sound Baby Polycarbonate Dome House is a unique residential design with a transparent roof, 360-degree transparent design. The modular splicing design of the dome house makes it easy to assemble and low cost to assemble. Our company's products are widely used in China and are exported to many countries around the world. The PC Dome House is popular in multiple applications: restaurant, cafe, hotel, camping site, resorts, etc. We committed to providing customers with the best price and excellent products and services. Your brand journey starts with us. We offer a range of customization options, whether you're in the restaurant, hotel, or outdoor industry. Our polycarbonate dome house solutions are designed to meet your specific needs.